Hi, my name's Ashley. I'm Senior Landscape Technician for Grounds Maintenance down here in Yorktown. Today I am planting tulip bulbs. A lot of places will say you do these in the fall. If we do these in the fall, which I've tried a few different ways, they rot. The weather is very unpredictable. A lot of people want their tulips to come back year after year. You can't count on it, but unless you're sort of babying it and doing just that and have like a really good site for it, you can't count on it. So that's why we replant every year. So the ideal depth, it depends on the bulb. It's another rule of thumb that people go by is twice the depth of the bulb. The weather is already breaking. So normally these say 5 to 6 inches deep. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put them about 4 inches deep. That's because we're planting later. I don't want them to get sort of cooked in the squat. They could rot before they really get a chance to grow. So it's all about timing. Pretty much everything that we like to plant in the winter that is like cold hardy or can recover from cold, everything wants to eat it. This is mole scram, bulb tone, and bone meal mixed together to prevent moles and voles. Come out here early in the morning and see what whole herds of deer. Deer love tulips. If you have daffodils surrounding your tulips, then the deer are less likely to continue to go in and graze. They're like, there's nothing to eat here. So plant with things that they don't like. And if you're adding deer scram on top of that, you're doubling down, you're really doing yourself a favor. This year we got set back by the snow events, and I'm really just now getting started. This is my most ambitious project with the bulbs. I have planned for this to be an early red bulb that's short, and then a larger bulb back here that's going to come up later. And this is my red stripe of my flag. And then this is white, and the plan is to have an early white in front and then a late white behind, going all the way up. But with the anniversary this year of Riverwalk, I wanted to do something extremely patriotic, and so I've been kind of working out a red, white, and blue scheme, and that's why this one's my most ambitious. I want it to look really its best, you know, I want it to really shine. Are you curious about flowers and plants in the county's garden beds? Keep an eye out for featured Flora signs. Scan the QR code to see a short video and learn more. Or you can find all of the featured Flora videos by going to the county's website or YouTube channel.